In this module, you will learn about vehicle insurance.
Insurance. The insurance policy is mandatory by law for all vehicles. It should be done with Fujairah Traffic Department.
Commonly, there are two types of insurance policies. 1. Comprehensive insurance or full insurance. 2. TPL, third-party liability. In the comprehensive insurance policy, all the damage cost is covered by the insurance company for both second and third party. Remember, first party is the insurer, second party is the owner of the vehicle, third party is other vehicle involved in the accident. In case of the third-party liability insurance policy, the insurance company will only cover the damage cost for the third party. The second party, or defaulter, will be responsible for his own vehicle damages. Make sure you read the terms and conditions properly prior to signing with any insurance company, as they have different coverage policies. What insurance does not cover? Although your vehicle is insured, there are some conditions in which insurance company will not cover the claim. Some of these conditions are: when the driver is under the influence of alcohol or any sedative medicine, when driving any other category of vehicle without the proper license. For example, a bike license holder is not allowed to drive any other category except for the bike. When driving the vehicle in any other country which is not covered in the policy. When the driver is driving without specs for whom it is mandatory as mentioned on the license.